part 2 of this video, and as you can see here, this was the first one that I got, and it was obviously awesome. But not only was it awesome, but it was unpackaged. So we're going to do the unpackaging for the other ones too, and let's start here with what looks like to be a Kirby. Wow, look at that, Kirby. I've done a lot of 3D printing of Kirby, and look at this. This is beautiful. This is injected molded, so it's going to be perfect, unlike my 3D prints. But wow. Oh my goodness. It also has one of these things, just like this one did. So we can push it through there. Let's take a look at the other ones real quick. Right after I'm able to put this through, let's see. Let's see how easy it is to put this through here. And really easy.
Likey